In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Odoo website time zone. This is a very quick adjustment, but it's an important one because your website's time zone can affect how time-based information is displayed across your site. So if your website is showing the wrong time or you simply need it to match your business location, this is where you can update it. To begin, log into your Odoo dashboard and go to the Settings area. This is where Odoo stores most of the general configuration options for your system, including settings related to your website. Once you're in Settings, look for the Website section. Depending on your Odoo layout and installed modules, you may need to scroll a little to find it. When you open the Website settings, you'll see different options related to how your site behaves and appears. In this section, look for the Time Zone drop-down. This is the field that controls the time zone used for the website. If the current setting doesn't match the region you want to use, simply click on the drop-down to open the list of available time zones. Now select the time zone you want from the list. Take a moment to choose carefully, especially if there are multiple similar city or region names. Picking the correct time zone helps make sure your website aligns properly with your local business hours or the audience you're targeting. After selecting the correct time zone, the change is essentially done. If your version of Odoo shows a Save option, make sure to save your settings so the update is applied. It's always a good idea to double-check the field afterward to confirm that the new time zone is now selected. And that's all it takes to change the time zone on an Odoo website. As a quick tip, if you're managing appointments, events, or any time-sensitive website content, reviewing this setting can help prevent confusion for both your team and your visitors. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to update the website time zone in Odoo quickly and easily.